Hello everyone, this is Nicholas, and on today's video I'm going to break down a set of Grado headphones, specifically a set of Grado SR80 headphones. Reason I'm doing this is because I'm asking my father to 3D print some of the individual pieces for me as I do some modifications to them, and I want to give him a sense of the context for what it is I'm asking him to print and how this weirdly shaped thing can fit into a set of headphones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear down the headphones, take it apart as far as I can, and name each piece and explain what it does. And hopefully that'll help me get some 3D printed parts, and it might help you if you decide to mod your own Grado headphones. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are our Grado headphones. And to look at the component pieces, this piece here is the pad. It's the foam piece that fits over your ears. There are a lot of different models of pads. On some of them, they're thicker and more cushiony. Other ones are more thin, like the ones I took off of here. Depends on how you like your sound and what feels comfortable for you, which one you'll use. I'm going to pop this next piece off. And this piece here that has the speaker in it, the speaker is the driver. I'm not actually going to take that out today, but this piece comes into two. This here in my hand, the part that sits on the outside, this is the cup. And the speaker cup is a popular thing to modify. What I'm going to do soon is put on a set of 3D printed cups like this. But there are also, you can get wooden cups. These look a little more high quality. They're in the higher end models of the Grado headphones. But there's a variety of different cups that you can put on. And there's also different types of cups. All of the ones that I'm showing are printed or designed to work with a sleeve. And the sleeve is this plastic piece I have here that holds the driver. Driver is the small speaker that plays into your ears. But these drivers are surrounded by this plastic sleeve. Sometimes they're wooden, but this one's plastic. And I will set that over there. Now, there are different kinds of drivers. And what I have here, this is a driver from a little business in South Africa called Noord, where a nice man named Jacko created for me a set of custom drivers, or custom as in non-Grado, that I'm going to use in the new set of headphones that I'm putting together. Other parts to the headphones, these parts that the cup fits in are called the gimbal. And this part here, I'm not going to pull that off. I'm going to have an additional one. This one is a 3D printed version of it that holds the head cap on. That's called the rod block. And then this leather part is usually called the cushion, and there's a steel rod inside of it called the band. And that's pretty much it. There's the cables that wire in, but we're not going into that part with this version. Actually, on the end of the cup, there's a bit of wire mesh that's called the screen. I have this black metal example here, and it fits into the cup. If we can look at it, it looks nice on the outside, and it keeps debris from falling in and interfering with the drivers. And I'll put that there for screen. On these that came with the headphone, they're plastic. That one's metal. I've seen some in nylon. I'm going to have, hopefully, 3D printed a PLA screen plastic like this cup that's fit in there that I'll have in an alternating color. But those are basically, for your headphones here, the breakdown. Pad pad is the part that goes against your ear. The cup is the part that holds it all together. The gimbal connects the cups and the pads to the headband assembly. The rod block enables the gimbals to attach to the headband, and the sleeve is what holds the driver into the cup. Now, you can get custom-made cups that have the sleeve integrated into it, and some people that do that, they use a resonating or a tone wood that may change or improve, depending on your taste, the sound of the driver makes, improve your headphones sound. But for now, I have cups that use a sleeve, and might print some that have the sleeve integrated into it. And those are your Grado headphones. If folks are interested in this, I might make some more videos. Show me soldering the Nord Red Volume 2 second edition drivers into the new cups that I'm going to have. But hopefully this vocabulary makes sense. And have a good day.